To join two pieces of garter stitch side to side using mattress stitch, start by laying your knitting side by side in front of you with the edges together. Thread a tapestry needle with the same yarn you've been knitting with. I'm going to use a contrasting colour so you can clearly see what I'm doing. Start by bringing your yarn up through the corner on your right hand piece of knitting. Leave an end so that you've got enough to weave in at the end. And then you're going to bring it up in the corresponding space on the left hand piece of knitting in that corner there. And then we're going to go back underneath and come up that same space again. To create a kind of a figure of 8 on that edge. Next, we're going to start looking at these garter stitch ridges. And what we're going to do is pick up the top stitch from one garter stitch ridge on this side and the bottom stitch from the other. So let's start over here. We're going to use grab that bottom horizontal bar, and then we're going to take the top one on this side. Bottom one here and the top one over here. Work a few stitches like this, and then every so often just pull it tight so you can see them come together and those garter stitch ridges start to line up. Now with this you can still see the white wool in there. If you were using the same colour as this yarn, then you wouldn't be able to see where you've been sewing up. So we're going to get the bottom stitch over here, the top stitch here, Continue in this way until the seam is completed and then weave in your ends.